A niche you're passionate about or profitable. Hello YouTuber, pick a niche that you're passionate about. We bet you hear that a lot. But is it true that the secret recipe to succeed in the YouTube automation business is to choose passion or profitability? If you look at it this way, it seems like there is passion on one side of the scale and profit on the other one, and it can't be further from the truth. They're not irreconcilable. It's quite the opposite. This means that the right niche for your faceless channel is around a topic you enjoy that also gets a lot of interest on YouTube. But when we say pick a niche you like, it could be a niche you want to learn about even if you don't enjoy it entirely yet. To be strategic, make a list of topics that arouses your curiosity. Then go to YouTube and start looking for videos in this niche. If there's an audience for those kinds of videos, well, you just found your niche. We won't encourage YouTubemators to jump into a topic only because it seems to have success on YouTube. Even if you hire a team to do the job for you, you won't have enough information to evaluate the script, the idea, or the content itself. So, you don't have to choose. You can be smarter than that and find the cross point between passion and profit. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.